Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about transitive and intransitive verb. Before jumping to the topic, let's understand what do the words transitive and intransitive means. This word has been derived from the word transit, which means to transfer. And here we are using transitive verb. It means the verb is transferring something. Now let's discuss what they are going to transfer. In transitive and intransitive verb, children, you need to understand that what are transitive verbs. A verb that does not make sense on its own. In a sentence, it requires an object, and that is called transitive verb. We all know the sentence structure, subject, verb and object. Therefore, for example, the shelf holds the book. So, the shelf is our subject, holds is our verb, and the book is our object. So, we are going to ask the shelf holds what? If we get the answer the books, then it will be your transitive verb. A verb that indicates complete action by itself in a sentence does not require an object. It is called intransitive verb. So what is the basic difference? That transitive verbs have object, whereas intransitive verbs do not have. Therefore, adverbs and prepositions usually follow your intransitive verb. For example, my sister cries loudly. My sister is subject, cries is the verb, and loudly is my adverb because it is telling you the manner, how my sister cries or how my sister speaks. Therefore, it is your intransitive verb. A transitive verb is incomplete without the direct object, whereas an intransitive verb makes its complete sense without a direct object. What is a direct object? Which is receiving the direct result or direct effect of the verb. We washed. What do we wash? Are we getting any answer? No. So it is intransitive. Similarly, sometimes a transitive verbs may take your two objects. Here, the two objects will be direct object for the answer what and indirect object for the answer for whom. The order of the object can be reversed in the sentences. It means we can use indirect object first and then your direct object. For example, I lent my toys to my friends. I is my subject, lent is my verb, my toys is again object, and my friends will be my indirect object. In the second sentence, they are the same. So green color is for indirect object and yellow is for direct object. Some verbs can be used in both the ways. That is, we can use them in transitive verb as well and intransitive verb as well. Now, the example will be Ricky plays football. So what do Ricky plays? He plays football. Ricky plays very well. So how does Ricky plays? It is very well. It is telling you the manner in which we are going to discuss about the how Ricky plays. Therefore, it is your intransitive verb. That's all for today's video, children. Hope you have enjoyed it. Ta-tas.